Hi there, my name is Teresa Foley, and for those of you who don't already know me, I'm Jenny Conklin's maid of honor at this wedding today. I'm Jenny Conklin's oldest friend in the world. That doesn't mean I'm a very old person though, because actually I'm still very, very young, but it does mean that I've known Jenny for a very, very long time. Our mothers drove out from the state of Pennsylvania to Los Angeles together. They met men, they got married, they had babies, and Jenny and I were two of those babies. We were born pretty closely to each other, and right away they just plunked us down on the floor next to each other, and we've been great friends ever since. There were other babies, and maybe we should take a moment to acknowledge those babies. They're probably milling about the room here right now. Have a look-see. Say hi, other babies of Nettie and John and Loretta and Des. But I know Jenny really, really well. I know Jenny so well, actually. So well. Well, Jenny and I had our first sexual experience together. My mom was a nurse at Daniel Freeman Hospital, and around Christmas time the nuns would sell great Barbie clothes and also really great Barbie furniture. And one of the pieces of furniture that the nuns made were these wooden Barbie beds, and Jenny and I pretty quickly figured out that those beds could accommodate two dolls, and so we put our Barbie and Ken dolls in those beds, and our Barbie and Ken dolls had sex in those nun beds. Hardly, I guess, really a first sexual experience, but Jenny said she thought of me to be her maid of honor because she thought I could do a good job with the toast. She said I would be poignant and funny. And so, Jenny, that was the funny bit of your toast today. I wish you a great sex life in your marriage, and I'm sure it'll be much better than the sex lives that our Barbie and Ken dolls had in those nun beds back in the day. And since I am a video artist, I decided to do a non-traditional wedding toast. I would like you to join me in this toast as it follows, and I'd like you to read along with me. Well, actually not like you to. I insist, you must, to make it a special day for Jenny and John. I insist that you read along with me.